Hello everyone, thank you for dropping by. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. 2020 has been a very challenging year, so I hope this Diwali will bring lots of light, happiness and prosperity in your life. That's all I can do. All I can do is wish and hope for the best for myself and for everyone around me or in my life, any form, shape or way you're in my life. So today I decided to create a Diwali look, even though this year Diwali is going to be a little bit different than what it used to be every other year. I still thought I should create a look for a simple Diwali celebration at home. We all know that right now we're going through very tough times. There's many of us who've lost family members to this horrible disease of COVID-19, and it's not advisable to celebrate with big groups like we used to before. So again, if you're celebrating a Diwali festival at home with your limited immediate family members, you probably are not going all out with the way you dress and everything. At least I am not, so I guess this video is for somebody who's not dressing up too much. I mean, you can still add more jewelry to this outfit and make it look very fancy. So I hope you guys will like the video. It is a very simple, quick Diwali look, and if you like my look, please continue watching and I wish you a very happy Diwali. Alrighty guys, this is the final look. I went and actually changed my lip color because I thought it was going too close to my actual top and my eyeshadow, so everything was just looking like a one wash. Wanted to add some pop to it and some dimension, so I went ahead and added my sindoor and my lip color. This, by the way, is liquid sindoor. It's not a lipstick, but this is a lipstick. I hope you guys liked the video, and once again, for all of you guys, please be safe, stay home, stay safe. Let's fight this virus together. Wishing you all a very happy and safe Diwali.